Hello guys, this is 144 days of learning ethical hacking from scratch. So this is, as I told you, as I always I say, this is a documentation videos I make on my progress of the journey. So in this video, it talks about the Zaid, whatever his name was. It talks about the lab, like a place where you can experiment and practice hacking. It's like just like hacking machine. Why was it important in the first place? It was important because it provides you a safe space to actually try experiment things which you will be learning in this course, as well as the things which you will be learning online sometimes in the future. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? If you're binge watching on YouTube, all these contents about hacking and stuff, and you want to practice them somewhere, so there you should have a lab of experimenting. Like a lab is a place, like I'll be showing in the coming time, like you have a main computer. This is the host computer, the main computer. You might have Windows or Linux or some OS X, some other operating system being installed in it. Okay, this is the host machine you have. So inside this, by using virtualization softwares, there's a software name called VirtualBox, VBox or something, and there's all called VMware. And also, basically, you should have a virtualization enabled into your BIOS settings. Okay, if you are not able to get these multiple operating system, multiple systems running inside your host machine using a virtual, simulator. So okay, like it can install like 10, 100, how many you want to install. I think I mean, you should have that much space, as well as that much of processing power as well, to actually support 100 machines. But at least, for example, let's say we have to support 5 6 machines. Okay, like machine 1, machine 2, let's say 3 machines. So according to him, we should have Kali Linux installed as a virtual machine in our like host machine, and our main machine in the virtual softwares. We should have Windows also installed, and as well as a meta exploitable OS. Just like, you just remember the name, meta exploitable OS. Like, you will be talking about it in the future. So anyways, so the lab virtualization, install a number of operating system including the current OS, like whichever current OS you are using. You can even install that as well. Each member has its own resources and functionalities in real machine. Like, you might be thinking maybe the functionality might get reduced because it's running on a virtual machine, but that's not true. Exactly, we can say all the functionality which you are getting in your host machine, on your real machine, that you would be getting onto. You know what I'm talking about, right? Oh, this. Okay. Let me do this. Um. Okay. So, sorry, I got distracted looking into my Instagram. Anyways, so these are the 3 OS that should be get installed onto your virtualization thing. And okay, this is how it would look like. This is your current OS operating system. You have this software name virtual. What is this thing called? What is this thing? Okay, I got a name here as well. VMware workstation. Okay, so it has so many OS installed in it. Just like, look at it. Like, we have Debian. I think this is a distribution of Linux. We have Metasploitable. We have Windows. We have Kali Linux. We have Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is all like Ubuntu, Linux, Kali, and Debian are, I think, all of these are like Linux distribution, like Linux OS. I don't know about Metasploitable. I know about Windows. It's like Windows, Microsoft. Anyways, so this was all about. I'll catch you up in later in the next video. Till then, take care. Love you so much. Keep hacking, motherfuckers.